Good day, everyone. I'm Joshua Miguel Orelota of BSEC 38. Today, I will perform my task 7. The subject is E36. Task. Aside from using two tact switches to count out and count down, modify your program and circuit so that you can add a function where you can either use an IR remote controller for the count up and count down or the two tact switches. So, electronic components used: Arduino R3, Uno R3, and USB cable, breadboard, connecting wires, resistors, tact button switches, 7-segment display, infrared receiver, IR remote control. So the codes. So the codes is this. We include the library IR remote and the sensor the IR is connected to digital pin 11, and we are going to use the button volume up and volume down in the remote control. This is the hex values to the corresponding button. Next is the value of my count up, which is 14, and the value of my countdown, which is 71. So this is the buttons are connected in the digital pins 12 and 13, and the count start is equal to 0, 0. Pin mode I is equal to 2 and less than 11, which is our output, and pin mode 12 and 13 are inputs from the switches. So the void loop, if you press button 1, it will go to count up, and if you press V up, you will go also to count up. If you press button 2, you will go to count down, and if you press V down, you will go also to count down. So this is the code for the count up. If you press button 2 while counting up, it will go to count down automatically. It is also applicable for pressing the volume down in the IR remote if the clock is count up. So if you press the volume down, it will go to countdown. Next is the countdown code. This is the countdown code. So if you press button 1 while counting down, it will automatically go to count up, and also if you press V up in the remote control while counting down, it will go to count up. So that's all for the code. Next is the schematic diagram. So originally, the previous project I made is without the IR sensor. So now I have the IR sensor. The IR sensor is connected to the ground and the 5 volts, and its V out is connected to digital pin 11 as mentioned earlier. And I adjusted the connection of the switches, which is now in the digital pin 12 and 13. So that's all for the schematic diagram. So next is the actual construction and output. That's all. Thank you. Thank you for watching.